Benign is a financial app that connects with your paycheck information to provide money management tools and financial features based on your income activity. By the end, you'll know how Benign works, what makes it different from traditional banking apps, and what to check before linking your paycheck. Benign is designed around the idea of connecting your income with your financial tools. Instead of only looking at your bank balance, the app uses paycheck information to help users manage their money. The main reason people consider Benign is convenience. If your paycheck is connected, the app can provide a clearer picture of your income and help you organize your finances around when money comes in. Linking a paycheck may sound risky, but the important part is understanding what information the app needs and how it uses that information. Before connecting any financial account, review the permissions, security details, and privacy settings. Benign is different from a traditional bank because it focuses on digital financial services through an app. That can be useful for people who prefer managing money from their phone instead of visiting a physical branch. The biggest question is whether Benign is safe to use. The answer depends on how comfortable you are with sharing financial information and whether the app's features match your needs. Before signing up, check the security practices, account access requirements, and available features. Make sure you understand what data you are sharing and why the app needs it. Another thing to consider is your overall financial setup. Some people prefer using one app for everything, while others keep banking, budgeting, and paycheck information separate. Benign may be a good fit for people who want a more connected view of their income and daily finances. It may not be the right choice for someone who prefers keeping financial information spread across separate services. The best way to decide is to compare Benign with your current setup. Look at the features you actually use and decide whether connecting your paycheck provides enough value to justify the change. Before linking your paycheck, read the terms carefully and make sure you understand the access you are giving. Benign can be a useful financial tool when you understand how it works and what information it uses. The key things to evaluate are security, privacy, and whether the app makes managing your money easier. If this helped you understand whether Benign is worth considering, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial apps and money tools.